When is Audi A6 e-tron coming out? According to my most recent knowledge update in January 2022, the Audi A6 e-tron was introduced as a prototype vehicle, and it's possible that no exact launch date was disclosed at that point. Production and release schedules for concept automobiles are subject to change, and there may be updated information available. To obtain the utmost precise and current information regarding the release date of the Audi A6 e-tron, I suggest consulting the official Audi website, reaching out to Audi dealerships, or referring to reputable automotive news sources. These sources are expected to offer the most up-to-date information regarding the production timetable, availability, and release schedule for the Audi A6 e-tron. Automakers frequently disclose precise release dates nearer to the actual debut, and this information is susceptible to alteration according to diverse elements, such as production schedules and market circumstances. These are some overall specifics on the Audi A6 e-tron concept as of my most recent update. The A6 e-tron was unveiled as an electric concept car, demonstrating Audi's vision for a forthcoming electric sedan. 1. Electric platform. The A6 e-tron concept is anticipated to utilize Audi's premium platform electric, PPE, specifically engineered for electric automobiles. 2. Performance. The A6 e-tron's performance characteristics, range, and features were not completely revealed at that time. 3. Shape. The idea showcased a streamlined and aerodynamic shape, in line with Audi's modern appearance. To obtain the most up-to-current and precise details regarding the Audi A6 e-tron, such as its release date, characteristics, and availability, I suggest visiting the official Audi website, reaching out to Audi dealerships, or consulting automotive news sites for the newest information. Manufacturers frequently furnish comprehensive details regarding their next models as they near the phases of manufacture and release.